Hi Sagittarius, I'm Anisha and you can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your mid-month forecast on career and finance. Sagittarians, we have a beautiful Grand Earth trine on the 14th of March. I've spoken about it in great detail in my love and relationship video, so I'm not going to be reviewing it now. However, it's a fantastic alignment. It is something which is going to give you a little boost in your career. It is something that you have been needing and wanting for a very long time. It's going to create new opportunities for you. So, even for those of you who have been looking for work for a long time, you may come across these small projects, these freelancing projects, and it would be good money. So, do pick it up and don't worry about how long the contract is going to be. Is it, whether it will, be with me for the next 10 years. Just even if it is for a short time, I would say just pick it up, and it would open further windows for you. So do look at it as a golden opportunity. We have Mercury, which goes retrograde on the 12th, and that is going to slow down communication for you considerably. So be very careful of the communication that is being done either through email, SMSs, or even verbal and written. Try and do your due diligence on all the paperwork that has to be done in this month. If you're buying or selling of the house, try not to commit to it. Keep doing your research, work onto it. Try and do a closure of that particular deal in the first week of April. First week of April is a time when Mercury becomes, or rather starts to become direct again. Though when it finally moves out of Pisces shadow, it's on the 23rd. It's a safe time, I would say, around the first week of April to be signing, papers or negotiating new deals. However, in March, it would be prudent not to go ahead and sign on to any new deal, especially if you have been having conversations around, say, a job offer for about the last couple of months. Yes, I think maybe you could, explore it. But something which is absolutely new, I would say just wait it out, and with a retrograde, you never have the complete information, Sagittarius. You'll feel shortchanged by the end of it. It would be what is expected vis-a-vis what is delivered. The gap is going to be very huge for you. For a lot of you who have been looking at investing for your children at this point of time, for their higher education, or maybe you've been exploring for new schools, it's a great time to research. So do go ahead and speak with your bankers, funding agencies, get all the research work done on the universities, how do the scholarships and so on and so forth. It's a good time for that. And finally take a decision in the first week of April. You would also hear some bit of a surprising news about end of the month from an ex-colleague, which could sort of just throw you off. It's not something bad really, but it'll just be a bit surprising. On the 20th, we have Sun, which is walking into your sign. So again, it's going to give you another opportunity to look for smaller projects and to explore more openings. 29th could be a little emotional for you. It could be regarding a conversation that you may have had in the beginning of the month and with an authority figure, and you could get a bit upset. So try and control your temper and stay calm. It's always better to keep it simple, Sagittarius. So have lovely 15 days. I'll see you again in April, and thank you so much for watching.